Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is B. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I did this super natural 4C crochet afro. It's huge, it's perfect for spring and the summer months, so let's get into it.
So I'm starting on my super teeny weeny afro. I've separated my leave out in the back, cornrowed my hair, and made my leave out in the sides and down the middle for a middle part. The hair I'll be using today is from Janet Collection. It's 24 inches in Afro Kinky bulk, color 1B. And we're going to crochet the hair. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. This is what one little bundle looks like that they put together. I'm going to break it down and cut off that straight part that's at the top because we don't need that. We just want it to be fully curly hair. So I'm going to start with a pretty small piece to begin in the back of the head. Okay, so for shorter hair, I usually crochet by hooking the hair onto the loop, but making sure that one side that's looped is shorter than the other side. So you can see one side is short, the other side is pretty long. And then I will loop the hair that's shorter around and make a knot around the braid with the hair. So that will leave one side longer than the other, and that's okay because we're going to basically fluff it out to make it look like a fro. And then I keep doing that. Yeah, I start with the crochet needle. I put one side of the piece of hair on it. One side is going to be shorter than the other when I pull it through the cornrow, and then I basically make a knot around the hair, making there be one short side and one long side with that knot. So there you go. As you can see, I made a knot around the cornrow. And then I basically just fluff it out, and I just keep on doing that, going piece by piece. I like to do braid by braid, like one braid at a time, till I get to like halfway through my head. And that's how I do my crochet, especially when I'm using short hair like this, 24-inch hair like this. So I'm going down that far side of the braid, and then I'm going to show you guys what it will look like once I've finished one full half of a braid and how full the hair looks. And you can't even tell that one side was shorter, it just looks like it's full on one side. So I'm just going to keep going and show you guys what I'm doing. I can show you better than I can tell you, so check it out.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Shit, I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been there, swore that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into it hard.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody. Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Wish I had the time.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling.
Okay, so now I'm doing the crochet braids that are super close to the leave out. Just want to show you how I'm doing that. I'm using the same technique. The only difference is that I have a bigger piece of the crochet hair that I'm pulling through this time. So it's way fluffier and a lot easier to be hidden when closer to the leave out area, because I really don't want the hair to be seen. I want it to be a little bit like a no-show kind of thing. So yeah, so I'm basically doing the same technique, one side shorter than the other, and then I'm going to loop it through, knot it, and then fluff it right out. And as you can see, when I fluff it out, that you can't even tell that it's crochet.
Just to have you in my palms. And I know for a fact who you are into we are.
Okay, so now I'm going to undo my leave out. I have leave out in the very front area of my hair across the hairline in the front, and I also have it towards the middle for a middle part or a side part. Well, not more of a middle part. And then I have the back out, the far back of my head out, just in case I want to put my hair up into like a maybe like a headscarf or something like that, and I need a little bit of hair in the back of my head. So basically right now I am just undoing that leave out that I had tied up. And yeah, I'm seeing that the texture is not matching, which is okay. It's all right if it doesn't match right now, because I have a good product that I'm going to use on my hair to help it to match. Okay, so this is the Dew foaming setting lotion, and I'm going to just put this all over my leave out to blend, because this hair texture matches my texture pretty well. So really what I have to do is just activate the curls. So what I'm going to do is just rub the foaming or the setting lotion all through the leave out, just to try to match curl patterns, just to try to blend curl patterns. And I'm going to just keep on doing that until my hair is defined. So essentially I'm trying to define my hair so that it matches the texture of the crochet hair.
But you don't care about nobody. Don't think you can about me.
And there we go. It's a pretty good match. I put a little gel in the front of my hair, but this is the final style for you guys. I'm pulling it out and just picking it out a little bit, but this is the final look. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank y'all so much for watching today. I love you guys. Bye.